Have you ever tried to display an image on your screen only to find it doesn't look quite right? It's frustrating, isn't it? If you've been struggling with showing images at their true size, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve the issue of displaying images without scaling in Python using Matplotlib. I totally get it. You want your images to display exactly as they are, without any scaling and with axes included. This is a common challenge for many users working with Matplotlib, and you're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I display a 500 by 500 pixel image at its actual size on my screen with axes included? They found that using the imshow function scales the image, while figimage displays it correctly but without axes. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's happening here? The imshow function automatically scales the image based on the window size, while figimage shows the image at its true size but doesn't include axes. We need a way to combine the best of both worlds. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear solution that not only displays your image correctly, but also enhances your plotting skills. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To display the image one-to-one on the screen while also adding axes, the user should start by creating a figure and an axis using Matplotlib. This will allow for more control over the image display. Next, the user should set the aspect ratio of the axes to be equal. This ensures that the image is displayed without any scaling, maintaining its original dimensions. Now, the user can display the image using the imshow function. This will allow the image to be centered within the axes while maintaining its original size. Finally, the user should add the axes and labels to complete the visualization. This will provide the necessary context for the image. To see the final result, the user should call the show function to display the figure. This will present the image at its original size with the axes included. Fun fact, did you know that the first images displayed on computers were in black and white? We've come a long way since then, but the basics of displaying images remain crucial. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves calculating the figure size and margins manually. For example, if you want a 50-pixel margin and have a DPI of 100, you can set the figure size accordingly. You also need to adjust the subplot borders to accommodate the margins. To maintain the original figure size during resizing, you can add a function that resets the figure size whenever a resize event occurs. This ensures that your image remains displayed correctly. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to set the aspect ratio when displaying images. This small step can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You can now display your images at their true size with axes included. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Keep experimenting with your plots, and happy coding!